Well, Hagen, this is it. This is your last lesson in your textbook, lesson 120. With lesson 120, we are going to focus on multiplying mixed numbers. So you can see right here, I have a fraction multiplied by a mixed number. Now I can't just multiply these the way that they're written. Instead, I've got to take a couple of steps. One of those steps is to change any mixed numbers into improper fractions. The second step is going to be to multiply, and the third step is going to be to simplify. So let's put that into action. So 1/5, this is already a fraction. It's not a mixed number, so that's going to stay the same. But I'm going to change this into an improper fraction. I do that by taking 2 times 4, that's 8. Add my numerator, so plus 1, that's 9. Keep my denominator. Okay, so I went ahead and changed that into an improper fraction. That's the first step. Second step, multiply. 1 times 9 is 9. 5 times 2 is 10. I multiplied. Now I'm going to check and see, can I simplify this or can I reduce it? 9/10 does not reduce, so that is my answer. Okay, let's look at the second one. 3 times 2 and 1/3. Okay, so I need these to be fractions. So I need to change 3 into a fraction, and I'm going to do that by simply making it 3/1. Let's change this into an improper fraction. So 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7 over 3. Now let's multiply. 3 times 7 gives me 21. 1 times 3 is 3. Can I simplify 21 over 3? Well, 21 divided by 3 is 7, and 7 is my answer. Okay, let's take 1/2 times 1 3/4. So let's change these to improper fractions. So 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3, so that becomes 3/2, times 4 times 1 is 4, plus 3 is 7/4. Let's do our multiplication now. 3 times 7, 21, over 2 times 4 is 8. Can I simplify this? Yes, I can. Okay, so 21 divided by 8. 8 will go into 21 2 times. Okay, so that would give me 16. I have 5 left over from my 21, so 5/8. If you need help reducing any of these, remember you can do it simply as a division problem. So I could take 21 divided by 8. So 8 goes into 21 2 times. 2 times 8 is 16. I subtract. I get 5. Make this into a fraction, 5/8. So that's just another way to simplify it. But 2 5/8 is my answer. All right, one more. 1/6 times 2 5/6. So my 1/6 is good. It can stay written that way. Times, let's make this to an improper fraction. 6 times 2 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. So 17/6. Let's do our multiplication. 1 times 17 is 17 over 6 times 6 is 36. Can I reduce that? 17 is a prime number, so only 1 in 17 will go into 17, and you can't take 36 divided by 17. It doesn't work out evenly. So my answer is 17/36. That concludes lesson 120, and that concludes your math book. The good news for you is that you only have to do half of your math set 120. I did mark it on your answer sheet just to remind you that you only have to do 15 problems on lesson 120. This is surely not the way that I thought we would finish out our school year by doing video lessons, but It is what we've been presented with, and it is what we are dealing with. So I hope you're safe. I hope your family's safe. I miss you. I miss my favorite fifth grader, and I wish we were back at school. Here's to hoping that we will be able to return in May. If you have any questions, you can send me questions or have your mom or dad send me questions over Facebook, or Messenger is okay also. I can make some videos of problems if you and your parents can't figure them out. I can make some videos of them showing you how to solve them. So don't hesitate to reach out to me if you've got any questions. All right. Hopefully I'll see you soon. Bye, Hagen.